Hey guys, today we're trying to fix Instagram Notes option not showing. So if in the case that you cannot see your Instagram Notes, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to solve this issue. So what we actually need to do first in order for us to fix this issue is to mainly update our Instagram applications. Now if you are using an outdated version of Instagram on your phone, the Notes function or the Notes feature might not appear on your application. So you need to go ahead and double check your application if it is updated to the latest version. So to do so, let's go ahead and launch the App Store and then search for the Instagram application. Now, I want you to double check if you do have the latest version of Instagram, and if you don't, go ahead and update it to the latest version. One more thing that we could also do is to go ahead and proceed with double checking our internet connection with our Wi-Fi. Now, solving this, or basically double checking if you have a stable internet connection with your Wi-Fi, is ultimately going to solve this issue. You could also go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.